Hello everyone and welcome back to From Zero to CryptoHero, the show where I show you how you can go from zero to $10,000 just by profiting off opportunities you can find everywhere around the blockchain.
Hello bloggers, this is Hugo, your Swissborg captain. I'm taking over the CryptoHero series for Airdrop catch-up session, and today we will be talking about two huge protocols, Layer 0 that Benji already briefly introduced you during the episode 8, I think. He introduced you the testnet of Layer 0, so we are going to see how to interact with the mainnet, and also we are going to see the testnet of the Venom blockchain. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know that I wrote two threads, one on Layer 0 and another one on Venom blockchain, in order to let you follow each step of both airdrop strategies after watching the video. So what is Layer 0? Layer 0 is an interoperability protocol that enables transfer from different chains. It's like connecting networks like Arbitrum 1, Optimism, Binance Smart Chain or Avaxi Chain between them. So in order to increase your chances to be eligible, you will need to complete at least the following tasks. 5 different source chains. We are going to see how we do that with more than 20 transactions and 4 active weeks, with a total amount of $3,000 of bridged assets. So for that, make sure to have at least $5 of each native tokens from each EVM chains. Like $5 of BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, $5 of Matic on Polygon, etc., etc. We are going to see how to interact with Stargate Finance. We need to get USDC or USDT on Arbitrum or Polygon, etc. I recommend to use Swissborg, obviously. You can send out USDC from Polygon chain. That's a nice tool that we implemented at Swissborg. You will need to go to stargate.finance. Once you have connected your MetaMask to Stargate, you just have to bridge USDC or USDT, stablecoins, across different chains. So I have 200 USDC. I'm going to bridge them from Arbitrum to the BNB chain. And you can see I will receive USDT from USDC. Maybe you can also choose BUSD and just click on transfer. Use max. Approve. Then just confirm the transaction. Now you will need to hold on for 5 minutes. Once your USDT are received on the Binance Smart Chain, you just need to transfer them into Optimism. So let's swap. Let's bridge USDT to USDC from BNB chain to Optimism, the total amount. And like that, you can see we will be already at $400 on the total amount of $3,000. You just need to switch network, reconnect your MetaMask, use max, transfer. It's quite easy. It's only repetitive. You just need to repeat the task, but it's always the same move. Not too difficult. So the contract is approving. The token is currently approving. Then you confirm the transaction for only $1 of fees. So you will use $5 of fees to do the complete route between the 5 chains. Now just hold on for 1 minute. Now once your USDC are received on Optimism, you just need to do the same for Polygon. So let's bridge from Optimism to Polygon, select token USDC to USDC or USDT. So we are going to hold on for 1 minute and then. Now let's bridge USDC from Polygon to Avalanche C chain. So 200 USDC, transfer. Switch network, Reconnect MetaMask, sorry. Transfer. Confirm the transaction. And this bridge will be a little bit longer than the previous one. Approve. It would take up to 25 minutes or 30 minutes, something like this. While the transaction is pending, let me show you a little tool. It's called 10kdrop.com/layer0. You will have the link in my Twitter thread. Just put your address, get data. So 10kdrop shows you your number of transactions. So I got 11 transactions on layer 0. The previous transaction that I just made have not been counted yet, for a total amount of $800. And you can see how many source chains you used, the destination chains you used, the amount of contracts, of different contracts you used. This is why I try to bridge USDT, then USDC, then we are going to see how we can bridge meme. Last step, let's bridge from Avalanche to Arbitrum 1. Select network, Avalanche, USDC, Arbitrum, max, transfer. So use max, next, approve, confirm the transaction, hold on for 1 minute. Once your transaction is completed, let's come back to the thread. I mentioned that you need to repeat the route for the next 5 days. Like that, you can fill the 5 active days. Then you will need to go to stargate.finance/stake. But before that, you will need to buy STG token, Stargate token. So we are going to use Sushi Swap. Let's swap 6 USDC for 10 STG token. Swap USDC. Before that, you will need to approve the USDC token as always. Confirm the transaction. Stake your STG token on the Arbitrum pool. So I have 11 STG token. I will stake 11 for 1 month. Use max. Next, approve. Confirm. Once you have staked your Stargate token, it will grant you a voting power on snapshot.org. And you will need to wait for an open proposal and just vote for it. So you have propositions there. They are all closed, but sometimes you just need to check the website. So for the last step, we are going to bridge the stablecoin meme across different chains using layer 0 through abracadabra.money. It's a bridge, I think that's the official bridge of the stablecoin meme. So we are going to bridge it from Arbitrum to the Binance Smart Chain because we have our USDC on Arbitrum that I already switched or swapped into meme tokens. So let's go on abracadabra.money. We need to connect your wallet. Select Binance Smart Chain for the receiver chain. Use max. And like that, we are going to bridge each time $100. Just click on Beam. Confirm in wallet. Confirm the transaction. You can see your transaction is completed. You can also go to layer 0 scan and check all the details of your transaction. That's the explorer of layer 0. So the transaction is delivered and you have all the details. Now let's bridge from the Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. So I have 129 meme because I had already 29 meme on the Binance Smart Chain. Confirm the transaction and just hold on 2 minutes. So now let's bridge meme from Polygon to Optimism. Confirm the transaction and hold on. To complete the route, we're going to bridge all our meme to Arbitrum. So repeat the operation. Confirm. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to repeat the transaction that you've seen today, like every days, every week, every month. It's very important. It was one of the criteria from Arbitrum Airdrop to interact with the protocol regularly. And also don't forget to make volume. Well, we've explored layer 0 ecosystem. Now let's focus on Venom testnet. So what is Venom Foundation? Venom is an highly efficient and scalable blockchain that is designed to meet the needs of real-world applications. So we are going to see how can we interact with its testnet. So first of all, download the Venom wallet. Click on the link on the thread. Then add to Google Chrome or Brave or whatever. Add the extensions. Now you will need to create a new wallet. Once you have created your Venom wallet, go to venom.network, click on Start Testnet, Connect Wallet, Venom Chrome extension, Connect. Log in with your Twitter account. Now the last step is follow Venom Foundation on Twitter. Now you will be able to claim your 50 Venom token. Type your password. Once your 50 Venom tokens are received, you will be redirected into venom.network/tasks. Then we are going to explore the Venom ecosystem. So for the first task, you will need to join the Venom Foundation on Telegram, subscribe to the Venom Foundation YouTube channel, then mint the NFT. Type your password, confirm transaction. This is your first Venom NFT. Let's go for the second task. So go back, Venom wallet, complete tasks. So you need to send Venom from your Venom wallet to this one. So copy this address, go to your Venom wallet, send, paste the address, amount 1 Venom, and type your password. Check, mint your NFT. I'm going to show you how I complete the third task. Then I'm going to leave you alone for the following task. It's always the same thing to do. You just need to follow instructions. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the section comment of this video, or even you can reply to my thread on Twitter. Then I'm going to reply all your questions. So for the third project, Web3 World, you have to follow the Telegram channel. Open Telegram. Then you have to go to testnet.web3.world and swap tokens. I can swap 2 Venom. I need to connect wallet first. Then swap 2 Venom for USDC. Type your password. Once the transaction is completed, go back to your tasks, check the second task, and mint your NFT. So this is our third NFT. I'm going to complete all the remaining tasks, then I will come back after. I have now completed all the current projects, so I'm going to explain you a little bit what it consists on. For Venom Bridge, we need to bridge your Venom token from the Venom testnet into the Binance Smart Chain. And then you will need a few amount of BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, like 50 cents, in order to release the transfer of the bridge and then to bridge back into the Venom testnet. Venom Stake is a staking protocol on the Venom testnet. We only have to stake a few amount of Venom token and then claim your NFT. Oasis Gallery is a NFT marketplace on the Venom testnet. We only have to buy an NFT and then list it for the sale. Vinopad is a crowdfunding platform. We only have to follow the Twitter accounts and make a tweet, then claim your NFT. Sniper Finance is a DeFi portfolio tracker on Venom testnet. We only have to click on one button and then claim your NFT. Numi is a NFT marketplace on Venom like Oasis.gallery, but there is a little difference between both because there is a token for Numi. You will have to go to web3.world, so testnet.web3.world, and then swap Venom token for Numi token. Once you have received your Numi tokens, you can go back to Numi mission, go to their marketplace, buy your NFT, and then claim your NFT. I hope you found both tutorials Layer 0 and Venom useful. Thank you for watching and see you next time on the blockchain.